here we must have the percent. After the percent, we must write what is the data type. It can be string, it can be decimal, integer, octal integer, or it can be the value of hexadecimal integer. Format specifier is placeholder for a value and specifies the type of data to output. Format specifiers begins with a percent sign followed by a character that represents the data type. Here is the format specifier is, and this we must write what data type is. It string, boolean, it can be decimal format, and we are going to explain with example. Print integers formatted for this data type, integers, conversion characters. First, we must display a decimal according by base 10 integer. Now we are going to write cout shortcut converted decimal integer, and here we can make more space, converted decimal, and we have percent print formatted to specify the format, and we have here for display a decimal integer. For decimal integer is write by D, and comma, here we must write the value, for example 25. We can run this. We have done here print formatted. I have run the code, I'm waiting. Great. It is good to comment this. After it's now here printf printed format, it has converted decimal integer, and here it says to specify the format, what format we have, and it tells us that here it will be substitute or assign the value of 25. Or we have here, when we have string, we write the s, but when we have the decimal with base 10, we write 10. Second, we must write the code display a octal with base 8 integer. Now system out print formatted octal format, and percent is the what format specifier. When we have the octal, we write with O, and for example, if we have 36, we can run. Can you see we have just to make more, to see this to be down. Great, let's go. I have run and to this code of line to when it will print this converted decimal integer 25. I have the cursor in command line to go in the new line character. I have make and it has print octal format, and this is the format specifier, and this is from O for octal format with base of 8. Can you see we have give from decimal format is 36, it has convert to 45 in octal form. Here we have the calculator to verify. Can you see in decimal value is 36, it has converted to 44 in octal format. We can write the scanner to give from standard input from keyboard, and whatever value you like you can convert to make any calculator. Now we are going to write what we have in octal. We must display a hexadecimal base 16 integer use. And now system out print formatted hexadecimal format. Specify what format we have. Hexadecimal is written, you can write with X or with X bigger. We can write both of them and we can see. For example, we have the one number we have give 78 is a decimal format. It must convert in hexadecimal format. We can copy this code and this X smaller and this is greater, and this we have changed the value. It is good always remember to give here the cursor to go in new line to be more, the cursor in the window command hexadecimal here for 78 when it's converted in hexadecimal format is 4e 780 when it's converted to hexadecimal format is 300 and C. We can verify here when is decimal 78 in hexadecimal is 4e. When we have 780 hexadecimal is 300 and C. Can you see this work perfect?